guys, Kelly here with Mindful Body Works. So I wanted to make a real quick video because this week I've had lots of clients coming in with jaw issues, jaw pain, headaches, limited range of motion where they can't open their mouth very wide. So this is just some things that you can do at home for any kind of jaw restriction, pain, clenchers. This is great for clenching as well. So I want you to check this out. So for starters, no gum, no chewy foods, taffy, steak, stuff like that. When your jaw is inflamed or hurting, just cut those out completely. If you have jaw pain quite a bit of the time, make sure you don't chew gum. That's a no-no for jaw issues. All right, so super easy. You just take your fingers and you just do circles on your jaw, your masseter muscles, and you just go all around the jaw. You can come out to the chin. And usually if there's a place where it kind of hurts but feels good, or maybe it's tender, that's usually where you need to hang out. You can also just do static pressure and then move to a different spot. And a lot of times when you're doing static pressure, sometimes you'll just feel like your fingers kind of melt into the muscle, and that's just the muscle releasing, so it's very helpful. So doing circles all around helps. Now there's another way that you can massage the jaw as well. This is more of a myofascial release or a fascia stretch and release. So you're going to take your hands and really you're going to be using the bottom side of the palm, and you're just going to be stripping down towards your chin. So just like this. Making a nice space there for you, but you get the gist of it. So you're just pulling down towards the floor. Okay, now you can also open the mouth at the same time doing that. So you would just pull down slowly and very slowly open your mouth. Good. All right, so we've done circles, we've stripped or done a myofascial stripping on the jaw, just pulling down. Now another thing that you can also do is a real simple stretch. So this McKenzie method stretch is great. It stretches the SCM and the scalenes of the neck, which come up and attach. So the jaw and the neck actually work hand in hand, so this is a great stretch for that. Now you might have seen this on one of my other videos, so if you do, sorry about the repeat, but it's great to use for jaw pain as well. So you just make a V with your hands and you're going to look up and then to one side, and that stretches all of this. Now the V is just to show you which way to go. You don't have to keep your hands in a V when you do this later. It just lets you know that you're going up to the very tip top of the V. And so you would do that 10 times in a row. So up and over, back to center, and then to the other side, and back to center. You always want to come back to center so that you're not stressing the neck, okay? Now you can add to that as well. So if you've got that down pat and you want to do a little extra, you can actually open your mouth while you're doing that. So you would go up to one side, open and close, and you might feel more of a stretch. If your neck is really tight, you might not feel it in your jaw, but once your neck releases, you'll feel that in your jaw as well. All right, so I hope that you try those and they help your jaw. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and feel free to share this. If you know someone that's a clencher or has jaw pain, please share this with them, because everyone can fix their own jaw at home. All right, thanks so much for watching.